Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. AUD USD keeps pullback from monthly support to aim 0.7300 amid risk on mood. http ntvforex.com news ID DF03345 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. AUD USD stays well beyond 2 weeks low, flashed the previous day, to negate the weekly loss. US dollar weakness joins chatters concerning TikTok and ECB to amplify the early Wednesday AUS bounce. Welcome prints of second-tier Aussie data. China's inflation figures managed to counter news relating Brexit, pandemic, and vaccine. Australia's consumer inflation expectations for September will be an immediate catalyst. AUD USD seesaws inside the 0.726888 trading range, currently around 0.7280, at the start of Thursday AUS Asian session. The risk barometer marked a notable recovery of near 1.0% on Wednesday to defy the weekly loss. While the Aussie-specific catalysts offered initial pull to the quote from a multi-day-old support line, broad US dollar correction added strength into the upside momentum afterward. Given the light calendar ahead, coupled with the pre-ECB cautiousness, traders may keep eyes on the risk headlines for fresh impulse. US dollar snapped 6-day winning streak ahead of ECB. The US dollar index DXY retraced from 1-month high the previous day to stop the bulls after they pull the quote off 28-month during the last few days. While chatters that the European Central Bank ECB policymakers are more optimistic added to the greenback AUS correction, news that TikTok's parent ByteDance is talking with the US to avoid the full sale of the company also trimmed the US currency's safe haven demand. Additionally, the U.S. State Department's announcement to keep the doors open for Chinese students, those who don't support their national leading party, after over 1,000 visa rejection, also favor the market's risk on mood. Positive sentiment could also be traced from the early Wednesday AUS upbeat consumer confidence and home loans data from Australia as well as China's upbeat prints of producer price index PPI. It should, however, be noted that the US dollar's rise could not be traced from the American data as July month's JOLTS job openings were 6,618, compared with 6,001 in June. Against this backdrop, Wall Street managed to recover some of its latest losses whereas the US 10-year Treasury yields also gained around 1.4 basis points to attack 0.70%. Looking forward, Australia's September month consumer inflation expectations, prior 3.3%, can offer immediate direction while risk catalysts can keep the driver's seat during the Asian session. Moving on, the market players will be cautious ahead of the ECB meeting and the same will be decisive for the day and this week. Technical analysis 10-day SMA near 0.7305 guards the pair's further recovery moves towards 0.7340 and the 0.7400 round figures. Alternatively, a 50-day SMA level of 0.7150 will add support to the quotia's downside past 0.7200 mark comprising an ascending trend line from August 3. Additional important levels overview today last price 0.728 today daily change 66 pips today daily change percent 0.91% today daily open 0.7214 NBSP trends daily SMA 20 0.7241 daily SMA 50 0.7136 daily SMA 100 0.6906 daily SMA 200 0.675 NBSP levels previous daily high 0.7309 previous daily low 0.721 previous weekly high 0.7416 previous weekly low 0.7222 previous monthly high 0.7416 previous monthly low 0.7076 daily Fibonacci 38.2% 0.7248 daily Fibonacci 61.8% 0.7271 daily pivot point S1 0.7179 daily Pivot point S2 0.7145 daily pivot point S3 0.708 daily pivot point R1 0.7279 daily pivot point R2 0.7344 daily pivot point R3 0.7379 NBSP Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible.
Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.